Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Log into the Airtel app or use IVR to verify your 5G unlimited plan is active. Once done, make sure your physical SIM is a 5G-capable SIM. If not, request a replacement. You should also check your phone's network band compatibility and update carrier settings or the SIM profile. These updates let the network recognize and provision unlimited 5G. If you see provisioning pending, wait a few minutes, then continue to the next step. Now adjust your device settings. Go to Mobile Network and set preferred network type to 5G/4G or automatic, then verify VoLTE is on. Once done, toggle airplane mode briefly, restart the phone, and reinsert the SIM to force re-registration. Make sure the Airtel APN is correct. Using the default APN ensures billing and routing work properly. If speeds or access still fail, run a quick speed test and note error messages or registration status for the final troubleshoot. Finish by isolating the problem. Test your SIM in another confirmed 5G phone and test your phone with a known working 5G SIM. Once done, if issues persist, call Airtel support with your account number, IMEI, and SIM IXID so they can check provisioning and throttles. Make sure to mention recent plan changes and any error codes. If support cannot resolve immediately, request a SIM swap or a network reset on their side. This often clears provisioning glitches and restores unlimited 5G access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.